So we are looking at example 7, 8, 9, and 10. And in example 7, we still need to determine what pattern to use. So we learned earlier about the sum pattern, the difference pattern, and the sum and difference pattern. So we're identifying what pattern fits on this problem. And we can see that it fits the difference pattern here, right? A minus b squared. So our answer is going to be in this form: a squared minus 2a times b plus b squared. So what are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and put down here our difference pattern. And we're going to identify our A and our B. Our A is 2C and our B is 9D. Notice that our B is not negative 9D. Our B is the term to the right of the minus sign. So it's the 9D, not negative 9D. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and fit it into the pattern. And so how does it go? It's a squared, so 2c squared. Remember, we have parentheses so that the squared distributes to the 2 and the c. And then we also have a minus, 2 times a, 2c, times b, 9d. And then in the end, we have a plus b squared, so it's 9d squared. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and simplify. So 2c squared is 2c times 2c, so it's 4c squared minus, so let's go ahead and work out all the math here. It's going to be 2 times 2 times 9, so it's 4 times 9 is 36, so minus 36c times d. And then here, the square applies to both of the 9 and the d, so it's 9 times 9 is 81, plus 81 times d squared. So this here is our answer, and I'll go ahead and jot it down up here. Minus 36cd plus 81d squared. So on number 8, we're looking for the same. We're looking for through the patterns. We have the sum pattern, the difference pattern, and the sum and difference pattern. In this case, it is the sum pattern, right? Which is going to be the exact same as the difference pattern, except instead of a minus 2 times a times b, it's going to be a plus 2 times a times b. Right? So let's go ahead and identify our a. Our a in this case is a. And our b in this case is 4b. So let's go ahead and substitute in our values here. Right, we have the sum pattern: a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. So let's come back over to here. It's going to be a squared plus 2 times a times b, so it's 4b. And then we're going to do a plus b squared, so 4b squared, like that. So let's do some simplification, and we'll get a squared plus 8ab plus 16b squared. And that's our answer, right, using the sum pattern. So I'm going to put my answer up here: a squared plus 8ab plus 16b squared